Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best hand drones is probably one of the most exciting gadgets for kids aged 8 to 12. These mini drones offer a fantastic blend of fun and technology, allowing young pilots to experience the thrill of flight with easy-to-use controls. Whether they're navigating through obstacle courses or capturing aerial views, hand drones provide an engaging way for kids to explore the world of aviation and develop their coordination skills. Number 5. Holy Stone HS-190 Mini Drone for Kids. This drone is designed for easy control, especially for kids. It features a one-click takeoff and landing function. Also, the 3D flips add excitement to the flying experience. With the altitude hold function, it can hover at a fixed height. In headless mode, the direction is relative to where the pilot is facing. This offers a carefree flying experience for beginners. The HS-190 drone has 3 speed modes: low, medium, and high. This allows kids of different skill levels to enjoy different flying experiences. You can choose the best speed for yourself. The propellers are isolated by protection guards to protect kids. It also has an emergency stop function for immediate landing, reducing the risk of damage or injury. It is mini and portable, folding into the controller and taking up very little space. It's a great idea to take it to parties, school, or on trips. It is a cool gift for kids and beginners. We offer a 30-day warranty for quality-related issues and a 90-day warranty for accessories. Contact information can be found in the instruction manual. We value your feedback and strive for constant improvement. What we like. This drone is super easy to control with its one-key operation, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a drone that's easy to take off and land, and offers fun features like 3D flips, this is a great choice. If you are looking for a pocket-sized drone for easy carrying, this is the one for you. What people say. The drone is easy to control. It has a good design. The drone works well. Number 4. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2025, Hand-Controlled Mini Drone. This is a super cool, high-tech, hand-controlled drone. It features a gyroscope and smart AI chip for intelligent flight. Different throwing angles and speeds create different flight paths. This cool stuff not only brings fun to play but also helps to improve children's hands-on ability, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. It's designed to provide hours of entertainment. Made of high-grade ABS material, the lightweight body can withstand countless crashes. The propellers are safely concealed, so there's no worry about injury. Simply connect it to a USB connector for 25 minutes to fully charge. It provides 8 to 10 minutes of flying time. The LED indicator shows the charging status. You don't need a lot of space to take off with this hand-operated drone. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, offering a smooth flight pattern and boomerang effect. It's a great conversation piece. This hand-controlled drone is a fun novelty gift for birthdays and holidays. It's a perfect enrichment gift for kids, teenagers, adults, and the elderly. What we like. This hand-controlled drone offers a unique flying experience with its boomerang effect. If you like interactive toys that encourage hand-eye coordination and creativity, this is a great choice. It's also durable and safe, making it perfect for kids. What people say. The drone is easy to control. It has a cool design. The drone is very durable. Number 3. Flying Orb Ball, Blue, 2025 Upgraded. This flying orb ball offers various ways to play, encouraging kids to experiment with its movement in the air. With each throw, they can discover different play styles and the fun it brings. Designed for children aged 6 and up, this ball is perfect for family and friends. Kids can enjoy different ways of tossing and catching it. This variety makes playtime more engaging and fun for everyone. Made from PP material, it's lightweight and built to last. The 360 degrees mesh protects the inner parts, and it stops automatically when it hits something, ensuring safe and continuous play. Compact and light, it charges via USB and fits in any bag or pocket. You can use it both indoors and outdoors, letting kids play at home, in the yard, or at the park. This flying orb ball is a great gift for kids aged 6 to 12, including teens. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or as a fun surprise. Give it to children, and they'll surely love it. What we like. This flying orb ball offers multiple ways to play, encouraging kids to explore different flight paths. If you are looking for a fun and interactive toy that's easy to take anywhere, this is a great choice. It's also durable and lightweight, ensuring long-lasting fun. What people say. The drone is very easy to control. It has a good design. The drone works well. Number 2. Velcase VGO 1080p HD FPV Foldable Drone. This drone features an adjustable 1080p HD camera, perfect for capturing photos and videos. You can record your life's moments from a unique perspective. Connect to the app for real-time video feed and share your adventures. With optical flow positioning and altitude hold, this drone is easy to control. It includes features like 3D flips, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, it offers a delightful flying experience. The foldable design makes it small and portable, and it comes with a carrying case. Equipped with 2 batteries, it provides up to 26 minutes of flight time. It includes all the accessories you need for safe and reliable operation. One-key takeoff and altitude hold make flying easy. The hovering system and optical flow positioning ensure a stable flight. It can fly along a preset path or orbit around a point, and it can even take photos or record videos with gestures. We recommend installing the propeller guards for the first flight. We provide 24-hour technical support and refund services. This drone makes a cool and creative toy for anyone, helping them enjoy an ever-improving flying experience and capture high-quality shots. What we like. This drone features a 1080p HD camera, allowing you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. If you're looking for a drone with a camera and easy-to-use features, this is a great choice. It's also foldable and portable, making it easy to take on the go. What people say. The drone is easy to control. It has a cool design. The drone is very durable. Number 1. Mini drone for kids, RC drone with LED light. This mini drone features vibrant LED lights, emitting neon orange and blue light. It offers a unique view during night flights, providing a different kind of fun. The drone is built with a one-piece construction and sturdy propeller guards. This design ensures safe flights and protects you from injuries. It's also lightweight and resistant to falls, making it easy to carry and enjoy flying anywhere. With 1-button takeoff landing and 3 speed settings, it's perfect for all skill levels. The headless mode eliminates direction worries, and the altitude hold function allows it to hover automatically. These features make it ideal for beginners. It comes with 3 batteries, providing up to 21 minutes of flight time. You won't have to worry about running out of power quickly. The drone will automatically land when the power is low. When using multiple drones simultaneously, power on and pair each drone and remote control separately. This prevents frequency confusion caused by powering on multiple units at once. What we like. This drone features bright LED lights, making it fun to fly at night. If you like a drone that's easy to control and offers a safe flying experience, this is a great choice. It also has a long flight time with 3 batteries included. What people say. The drone is very easy to control. It has a nice design. The drone works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.